Today I wanted to show you this new vacuum cleaner that was sent to us to test out. This is everything that's come in the box. You have your extension, your actual vacuum head itself, extra filter, your main vacuum head, your manual, your warranty, little cutter for your brush, more attachments, and of course your battery pack, which we have charging now. And it comes with a wall mount. So we'll go ahead and put this together now. Take our wand, vacuum head, all right, so we got our vacuum put together. Now we can go ahead and install the battery and give it a test out. This thing on, all you have to do is squeeze the trigger here, and it's going to show your speed here. You can change it to max or low, and then you get your battery life. All right, so the vacuum head itself does have this anti-tangle setup in here, but if it does get tangled up, you can actually take this little cutter and actually clean all that hair out. So if you have a wife or girlfriend that sheds a lot, you'll be able to use this to clean it all out. It also does have a really flexible head, so you're going to be able to maneuver around and almost everything. I have 45 minutes worth of battery life. It's got a 5-stage filtration system. It's got 38 kPa of suction, and it's got a 500-watt motor. So now we're going to go ahead and test this out on the carpet and the hardboard floor and see how well it holds up. So it does have LED lights on the front. We're going to go ahead and switch this to max. If you look here in the vacuum, you see everything that picked up. So not only did it pick up the cereal, but it picked up quite a few other things as well. So as you can see, it's really flexible. It's easy to clean up and go underneath everything. That's a stain, but it'll get underneath everything, and it's easy to maneuver. Now we're going to try the other attachments and see how they work. It's easy to swap these out because it's just a simple button press. Attach this other attachment. So this attachment does have a hard suction area here, but it also has brushes, so soft brushes. If you want to use it to clean your keyboard on your computer, you can, or any other sensitive items. I'm going to close that back up. And our last attachment is going to be really great for getting inside those seat cushions or even in your car to get between the seats in your car. All you have to do is empty into the trash. It's a single click of a button and it's emptied. So if you're looking for a good vacuum that's going to get the job done but not break the bank, has plenty of suction, 500-watt motor, extra attachments, might check this one out. And it's fully adjustable. Just hit this button and you can raise it to whatever level you need. Self-standing, so whenever you're done with it, you can just put it in the corner and be done with it, or you can mount it on the wall.